Lime Survey. Survey honest review. Watch before using. Most people think creating surveys is simple, but you won't believe what happens next when poor design skews your results. Lime Survey is an open-source survey platform that lets organizations create questionnaires, collect responses, and analyze data. It supports complex survey logic, branching, and multiple question types. The surprising truth about Lime Survey is that it allows full control over survey appearance and functionality, making it ideal for academic research, customer feedback, and employee engagement surveys. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate the importance of response logic and data privacy. Lime Survey includes features to enforce anonymity, prevent duplicate responses, and export data securely. Lime Survey is best for researchers, businesses, and organizations that need detailed survey customization. The surprising truth is that well-designed surveys produce actionable insights, not just numbers. Subscribe for more honest survey tool reviews that improve decision-making.